Hey, what's going on, YouTubers? So in this video you can see my Samsung stainless steel refrigerator. My son was shaking up his vitamin drink and I guess made a couple little dents right here, as you can see. So in this video I'm going to show you all how I am going to attempt to fix these dents myself for the very first time using a dent repair kit that I bought off of Amazon. Alright, as you can see, this handy DIY kit came with your glue gun with your assortment of 5 black sticks and 10 of the yellow sticks here. You have your puller, you have your banging puller, you have your hammer, you have your thing for the high spots with the different attachments. And these are all the little attachments here that fit on here, and these fit on here. Okay, so pretty good variety. And a couple of things that they didn't provide is what's really important is that you'll need some 90% isopropyl alcohol to wipe down and clean the stainless steel as well as your tips before application. First, you want to spray down the spot with isopropyl alcohol and wipe down the spot, because any dirt or grime or anything like that is going to prevent the glue from sticking. Okay, you see the dent over here and the smaller one over here. That's what we're going to be working on. Okay. Alright, so now this is heated up here. We'll put some of this hot glue on this. Okay. The hand puller. This rubbing alcohol works great to remove the glue. Looks like I got the top one gone now. Looks pretty good. Hell yeah. Now for the bottom one. Now for the bottom one. You may have to repeat this process several times. Kind of look at the dent and see where you're getting. It's getting better. Getting a little better, dear. It's getting a little better. Wow. Boy, I tell you, it's looking a little better, boy. See, the very top one is pretty much gone now, and the one in the middle is gone. Now I got to do the one in the bottom. All right. Alright guys, so here's the verdict. You guys saw it before. Here's the after. Now if you look at a certain angle, you'll see a faint trace of it. But if you don't know that the dent wasn't there, you're not going to hone in on it and try to microanalyze and try to figure out where the dent was. At you know, first, second, third glance, it looks beautiful. All right. So here's my opinion. Did I do a 100% perfect job? No, I didn't. But it's 98% there, and I saved myself. So for amateur first timer, it looks pretty darn good compared to before. You guys tell me what you think down in the comments below. Now, as far as this kit here, I'll leave a link below in the description on where you can pick it up as well, the very same kit that I got. And if you purchase it, it helps my channel out. So I appreciate you guys watching. Please thumbs up and subscribe. I got many more of these how-to videos, how to save time and money. Peace out.